There are so many bad people outside who cut the tree. What should we do?
I have to hide and take a photo of him.
Oh, really? And
I have to call the police. He just put him in his police car. That finish, he will just put him into jail. He just teach him how to plant and just don't cut the trees. That's why he know it. And those police just release him. And that finish, he don't cut any more trees.
oh, if he knows his mistake, police will release him from the jail.
Yes, he will be a good boy. Don't cutting the trees. He will plant the trees and don't cut the trees.
Will he water the plants every day?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Okay, good job, Utsa.